What's up, guys? Today, you guys know that today we've been doing waterfalls, a lot of waterfalls.
Yeah.
And we're up here in the UP, right?
Yeah.
And, right now, this is our very last waterfall that we're doing. We're going to, we're at Miners Falls.
There's a hotel.
0.6 miles more to go down there, so we're gonna go to a hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah? It's like stairs. Step. Step.
But it's not. We have
Step. Step. Push the subscribe button, notification bell if you want to see another video like this. But this video can't be too long because I only have 3 minutes 56 seconds to record. So
This is turning into a movie.
see you guys when you get down there.
It's turning into a movie.
Okay.
Wrong turn. We'll snap and we will get down there. And something will happen.
See you guys when I get down there. Bye. Actually, I had a different idea. Still in the same spot. Snap. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Snap. Try snap again. Oh my gosh. I don't think you did it correctly. Oh my gosh. Baby, I don't think you snapped correctly. I think it's because you snapped twice. Focus, focus, snap. Going through the forest. With the true trees. Okay, so actually, I was just faking that one. We actually got TP'd over there a little. And now we gotta walk because baby, he ran out of TP. So that's why I can't teleport anymore. So now we gotta walk and walk. Let's see if BB will try to teleport again. BB! BB! The teleport didn't work. Try to teleport us the rest of the way there. Try. Try it. 3. Okay. We made it to it. Look at. This time I'm gonna TP us down there by saying TP. 3, 2, 1, TP. Okay. We made it. Look it. Oh, there's a hole. It's all wet everywhere. That's cool.
You can fall.
This video will end by itself because I don't have much space, so let's just snap some pics while we have time to.
Now that's my most favorite waterfall so far.
If you guys want to stop video and take some pictures, you can. I really don't care on any of these videos. Look, that's a lot of water. It looks big to you guys, look it. But it looks smaller to you guys, but it's huge. Compared to us, it's huge. Look it. You're like that far away. You have to get away. You have to. It's because camera distance is
Water is
different.
getting this whole platform wet.
Yeah, it's getting its whole thing wet.
There's a bone right there, look. See right down there? The bone, that shiny piece of wood looking like?